Success in business is often shaped by the stories of those who have gone before us. Many entrepreneurs have defied the odds, challenged traditional paths, and built empires from nothing. Their stories provide lessons in resilience, innovation, and strategic thinking. These entrepreneurs are not just famous names, but individuals whose journeys can reshape how you think about business and inspire you to take action. One such entrepreneur is Sam Walton, the founder of Walmart. He transformed a single discount store into the largest retail empire in the world. His success was not due to a groundbreaking product, but an obsession with efficiency, cost-cutting, and customer satisfaction. Walton constantly studied his competitors and improved his operations, proving that success does not always come from a unique idea, but from executing better than anyone else. Another entrepreneur who changed the game is Madam C.J. Walker, the first female self-made millionaire in the United States. Born to former slaves and orphaned at a young age, she worked as a washerwoman before identifying a gap in the market for black hair care products. She formulated her own products, built a direct sales network, and created a business that empowered thousands of women financially. Her story proves that success is possible even in the face of adversity, and that businesses can be a force for change. Ingvar Kamprad, the founder of IKEA, grew up on a farm in Sweden and started selling matches as a child. He realized that people needed affordable, easy-to-assemble furniture and focused on cost reduction and efficiency. His business model, having customers assemble their own furniture, was unconventional but allowed IKEA to dominate the global furniture industry. Kamprad's journey teaches that simplicity and cost-effectiveness can create massive success. Damon John, the founder of Fubu, built his clothing brand from his mother's living room while working as a waiter at Red Lobster. Without startup capital, he used guerrilla marketing by getting hip-hop artists to wear FUBU for free. This grassroots branding helped propel FUBU to a global stage. His journey emphasizes the power of resourcefulness and branding without waiting for funding. Sara Blakely, the founder of Spanx, started her billion-dollar business with just $5,000. She had no background in fashion, but was determined to create a comfortable undergarment for women. She personally pitched her prototype to retailers and gained national recognition after Oprah Winfrey endorsed Spanx. Her story highlights the importance of perseverance and the ability to solve a real problem with minimal resources. Richard Montañez was working as a janitor at Frito-Lay when he came up with an idea that changed the snack industry. He realized there was no product catering to the Latino market and created his own spicy seasoning for Cheetos. Without hesitation, he pitched the idea to the company's executives, leading to the creation of Flamin' Hot Cheetos. His journey shows that innovation does not require a high position. Anyone with a great idea and initiative can make a difference. Rob Kalin, the creator of Etsy, built the platform because he saw that independent artists had no dedicated marketplace to sell their handmade goods. Instead of waiting for an existing platform to meet this need, he created one. Etsy now supports millions of small businesses worldwide, proving that identifying and serving a passionate niche can lead to tremendous success. Sofia Amoruso, the founder of Nasty Gal, started by selling thrift store clothes on eBay. She used creative product styling, engaging descriptions, and social media marketing to build a cult following. This grassroots branding turned her into a multimillionaire before she ever took outside investment. Her story highlights the power of storytelling and branding in making an ordinary business extraordinary. These entrepreneurs prove that success does not come from privilege, degrees, or perfect conditions. It comes from finding problems, taking action, and executing relentlessly. Whether through innovation, resilience, or resourcefulness, their journeys offer lessons that can reshape how you approach business. Instead of waiting for the right conditions, they created opportunities where none existed. If you feel stuck in your business or entrepreneurial journey, take inspiration from these stories and ask yourself, am I solving a real problem? Am I using what I already have instead of waiting for the perfect conditions? Am I thinking differently than my competitors? Am I giving up too early? These entrepreneurs faced challenges but kept pushing forward. Their journeys prove that no matter where you start, success is possible if you stay committed, strategic, and resourceful. Let their lessons inspire you to rethink your business approach and take action toward your own success. I'd like to thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video, which will come out soon.